Welcome back to SG Riders. The 2026 Honda PCX is here, and Honda has once again refined one of the most popular premium scooters in the world. Known for its comfort, reliability, fuel efficiency, and stylish design, the new PCX continues to set the standard for urban commuting. Today we'll explore the latest updates, performance improvements, and features that make the 2026 Honda PCX a top choice for riders across the USA. Fresh new look for 2026. The 2026 Honda PCX arrives with a modern and premium appearance that immediately grabs attention. The scooter features sleek bodywork, sharp aerodynamic lines, and an eye-catching LED lighting system. The signature X-shaped rear lighting design gives the PCX a distinctive identity both day and night. Honda has focused on making the scooter look more sophisticated while maintaining its practical everyday character. Powerful 157cc ESP Plus engine. At the heart of the 2026 PCX is Honda's proven 157cc liquid-cooled ESP Plus engine. This advanced powerplant delivers smooth acceleration, strong fuel economy, and excellent throttle response. Whether navigating busy city streets or cruising on suburban roads, the PCX provides a balanced combination of performance and efficiency. The automatic V-matic transmission ensures a simple twist-and-go riding experience. Improved comfort for daily riders. Honda has designed the PCX with rider comfort in mind. The plush seat provides excellent support for long commutes, while the ergonomic riding position helps reduce fatigue. The spacious floorboard and comfortable passenger seating make every ride enjoyable. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a weekend ride, the PCX offers a premium scooter experience. Advanced safety features. Safety remains one of Honda's top priorities. The 2026 PCX comes equipped with front-wheel ABS, providing improved braking confidence during sudden stops and wet road conditions. The stable chassis and predictable handling characteristics help riders feel secure in various riding situations. Practical storage and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of the Honda PCX is its practicality. The large underseat storage compartment can accommodate a full-face helmet, groceries, or everyday essentials. Riders also benefit from a built-in USB charging port, allowing smartphones and devices to stay powered during travel. Honda continues to make the PCX one of the most user-friendly scooters in its class. Fuel efficiency that saves money. Fuel economy is where the PCX truly shines. Honda's fuel injection system and efficient engine design help maximize mileage while reducing running costs. For commuters looking to save money on fuel without sacrificing comfort and reliability, the 2026 Honda PCX remains one of the smartest choices available. Why riders love the Honda PCX? The Honda PCX has built a strong reputation among scooter riders worldwide. Owners frequently praise its reliability, comfort, smooth performance, and low maintenance requirements. Many riders consider it one of the best premium scooters for everyday transportation and urban exploration. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda PCX continues to dominate the premium scooter category with its stylish design, efficient engine, advanced safety features, and exceptional practicality. If you're searching for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable scooter for daily commuting in the USA, the new Honda PCX deserves a place at the top of your list. Outro. Thanks for watching SG Riders. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Honda PCX, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more scooter reviews, motorcycle updates, and riding adventures. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.